Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be organizing everything in my business. Be cleaning, sanitizing everything, putting it together, separating it. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do. Intro before, that's why if you see me also clean the things, it'll be like daytime and then now it's like nighttime. I had to make the intro over. I already started separating the flavoring oils and the pigments and all the stuff like that. I already sanitized and wiped down all the containers and everything. So I'm just putting stuff together. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. The room might be a little messy because I'm also cleaning my room at the same time. So sorry if you see some mess. So I just simply take some peppermint soap and I just wash them. Well, they're both clean, so I'm gonna just let them dry off. So I'm gonna go wash my tubes. So I'm just gonna wash this, which I'm gonna put my tubes in. I'm done just drying it, but I'm gonna go wash my tubes and I will see you guys when I put everything together in my room. I have already separated my little packaging, my bowl mailers, my scrunchies. The only thing I hate is when pigments get all over the place and then it ends up creating a big mess. I have to wipe that up, and then little packaging supplies and stuff like that go in this bag. I'm gonna go wipe this up, but then I have another storage compartment to put more things in, so I'll be doing that. When I tell you I just teared up my room and moving stuff around, there's like mess over there, so don't worry. I'm just gonna put these, my little confetti in these. So I just take my bin where I have my pigments and my glitters, and I'm going to put more of my pigments in there. So I just take each one out and then I'm going to just clean them, each one of them. I just went ahead and cleaned my oils off to put into one of the bins. So these are my glosses I have. I'm going to clean them tomorrow because it was kind of late and I had to go to bed. So I just put them in the container and I'm going to clean them tomorrow. So now I got my messy area over here. I'm just going to clean everything down and then put the bins back in their places, and that is it. Sweep time. As I said before, I was going to clean my whole room, so I just decided to sweep and mop. So I'm just bringing everything that was on the floor out of the room so I can sweep it and mop it. This whole process, I was just stepping in bleach because I clearly didn't know how to mop in front of me and then go backwards. Clearly, I don't know how to do that. So after I sweep and mop, I'm just going to clean off my table, wipe that down, clean everything in the room. I kind of finished organizing. I don't really have like a nice like table. Not like a nice table, but I don't really have like a table with like an all-out table. My table is plain. I only got a book, one perfume, my school books. So this is the area I'm working with over here. You know, it's not even like, I still got a few things to move around. I decided to put my labels in here. I forgot these don't even fit in here. Let's put my oils, my bowls, and my Versagel. So I have more things to put in here. Down here, I just got my tubes that I washed. Then I got my glitters, my scents, and my pigments and things like that. And down here, my bubble mailers, my scrunchies, my little organic bags, everything that deals with packaging and things like that. And then out here, got my confetti. Here, got my glosses. Got my some tubes and more tubes. Up here, I just have some like bundles, some business cards and things like that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. It was actually, well, it wasn't short, but it wasn't too long. I was just showing you guys how to organize things and put things together. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 200, so I can't wait. See you guys in the next video. Bye.